YouTubes, we are on the way to Loudonville, Ohio. Don't have the camper with us today. It's a Sunday. We're gonna go check out Wally World Campground.
Wally!
We got Kenzie, we got Kaylee, we got the mama driving, we got me in the passenger seat.
Wally!
Stopped at the donut land today to pick up some donuts on this beautiful Sunday. But we are on some county roads right now, headed towards Wally World. We will be there in about 10 minutes. We'll give you the overview as always. YouTubes, we could definitely not take the camper down this way. This road is crazy. They did tell us that it was going to take us down some crazy roads when we used the GPS. That was not a lie. We should have listened. But we're using the GPS.
Turn right onto County Road 23.
It says we will be there in 1 minute, which is fantastic because we're running 2 minutes late. But we're going over this crazy bridge right here.
Man, do I feel like I'm in Guernsey County.
We are in Knox County.
Yeah, close enough.
Actually, we're in Holmes County, which
Close enough to Guernsey.
Turn right.
nice little lake here.
And we're about there.
There's a nice fishing river. And we're going to be pulling into Wally World. Oh, some cabins across the street. I wonder if that's part of it.
I don't think so.
I don't think so, no. Oh, there's a nice lake.
Private property. Where the heck do you go in? Probably up here.
This has to be it, no?
Yeah, I think so.
They're like stacked and racked in
Turn
there.
right. Then the destination is on your right.
Oh yeah, here's Wally World.
Okay, well, we'll figure it out. Welcome to Wally World.
They got a nice pool over there.
Okay. Wooey.
Woo-wee.
All RVs. Well, we're not an RV, but
Arrived.
we might have to go that way.
We need to go
Way.
to the camp store.
Yeah.
It's right there, probably.
Okay.
Check in. We got mail. Probably.
Go in and find out, and then I will figure out where to park.
Yeah, the general store and registration right here. Yeah, Kelly, come on with me.
That might sound kind of weird, but I'm asking you guys to check out the bathhouses just because we can. This is a private campground and we can take really good care of our stuff.
Check it out.
The maintenance man here.
You're always hungry.
Can I get something in the pants there?
Later.
Grr.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's nice in there. Yeah. Really nice. Nice big showers and everything. Yeah.
Wally.
Oh.
Clubhouse. This is good for like birthday parties, get-togethers, whatever you want to use.
Cool.
This is
Cool.
We have TVs. Okay, so have that complimentary check. Seems like one of them had like Hulu or something else on it. I'm not sure if it's Hulu, but one of them has something else. All the games and stuff here, they cost quarters.
Okay.
Just like in our house. But yeah, they plug back there. And,
Wow.
and
This is just one of these summer one. Right there, stuff in a like the swimming pool right there. Up there's like a big poster of like a guy that's sitting on a boat, a raft. Then over here, it's a game that. Let's see if I can make it. That Kaylee's playing right now, and she just made a hole. There's 10, but no, I'm showing there's 10.
Old school telephone booth. Try to be easy with it. You can't be throwing it all around. Get good footage.
Over here, and then this is like a heart. Right there, those stuff, 4th of July. A 4th of July with like a little thing. That's cool. Over here we have another golf, the same one. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. So you grab the ball and you put down the stick, but I don't have one right now. And I just made the hole and it will come right down. And you can do it again. How much times? I did not make a hole yet. So let's try one more time. Watch the ball. It does not make it. Again. Nope, it does not make it. It does not make it. I just made the first Kaylee do it. Then over here is like a claw machine. There's Mario's, like other stuff. Over here it's like just a phone. You can just like if you need to call your phone instead, you can call anyone. But you need $10, 20 cents. For $20 to go in this thing right here. To like collect the money. And then have another claw machine, but it's a ball. Then we have, then you sit here, and then you have this here, but you also need money. It's 25 cents if you don't want to play, and then just pedal. And then the rest are just over. There's a fireplace, like sitting area, Netflix on, loud, yeah. And more stuff are going out. Oh.
Jack, close this door.
Yeah.
Thank you. Doors.
Air conditioning in here.
Over here we have.
So our membership is multiple generations. So that being said, this is something that can be passed down to your kids. So it goes down to
mystery on TV and lots of pictures. More stuff.
Our very first property was in my watch, so started off with this one was the first one.
Okay.
This is in North Carolina. It has over 200 campsites here. It has a lot of big sycamore trees, which has like a real log cabin feel and, privacy. They actually have a swimming pool and a jacuzzi.
Oh wow. Oh, they have a ball field too.
Yeah, and they stock their lake. Yeah, I've never been to this one, but a lot of people like this. It's a lot more spread out than Wally. Now we have getting started with historic history lovers. I think you mentioned something about a Yogi Bear Park.
Yeah.
earlier.
Yeah.
We actually bought this from a Yogi Bear Park, which is why
want to go on?
We have some cabins here at the general, just to come here. Rain afters on the side. This is actually adjacent to the
Riding into forest.
House is pretty good.
And more
Around Halloween time, I heard
more
they have
stuff.
beach festivals.
But then Mr. Ray Wallace has a big.
I'll have to look it up, but I heard
I always wanted to go to Gettysburg, so we could, that would be someplace to look into, yeah.
yeah. Really cool. It's almost like you're living in a home.
Yeah.
They got shuffleboard, stop plays here. They also have playgrounds, game rooms,
Yeah.
and just the basic stuff that pro resorts.
That's kind of cool.
Kayaking. But yeah, this is more for our history lovers.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Wally World. Picture is a little outdated because this is a big company.
Yeah.
And this guy is 54 and this one is 50.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I don't know these people, I'm joking.
Oh.
You guys totally
I was like,
I did,
I totally thought that was like, you said it was
Yeah.
outdated, and I was like, oh wow, that's really outdated.
I don't know them. I like doing that because I like to like see if people like
Pay attention?
yeah. But yeah, it's a joke. But I'm gonna skip over this one because we're sitting up apart.
Yeah.
Wally World is the smallest resort we have. We only have one cabin here. An hour and a half away, this is in Moulton, Ohio.
Yeah, that's the one we're thinking of going to.
Rocky Fork, I've actually been here.
Okay.
They have horseback riding, they have cabins, they have a lot more cabins than we have here. They have
Swimming
hundreds
pool,
of cabins.
horses.
What's not on here, but I see myself is they have like a gun club. I'm not sure if any of you would like to shoot.
Me.
But a bunch of guys get together and there's like a shooting range on the side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's something that I found interesting. I didn't know that was there until I actually seen it myself. They have an indoor swimming pool. When I walked in there, I felt like I was walking to a sauna. Like this was sauna. It's climate control. It's really warm.
Oh, that's nice.
So you can go in there whenever you
What happened?
pull out. Golfing. This lake is
Hello, he's still filming.
That's so This is a cute cabin.
Right on the Mohican River. So chill. Nice cabin, but I'm gonna let you guys check out the river.